Hello guys, welcome to Equip Learning. Hope everyone is fine. Now I little discussed about ZeroLend, ZeroLend a landing protocol, ZeroGravity. Okay, this is a huge potential project and already Binance, zkSynch era, Python network, MANTA network already engagement with this. Okay, this is the biggest huge amount project and profit soon. At least 500 to $5,000 profit gain you can, but some process Python network and so I just discuss about little some about for free user only. Okay, so let's how to join here. Okay, so first of all paste the link in your Mrs browser. Okay, pass that this is the joining page, paste in your Mrs or Kiwi browser. Okay, where your MetaMask extension added, then after paste, then connect your Twitter, connect your Discord, connect your MetaMask. Okay, and this is the process here. Your instant get 100 points, and more, remember your every point is equal to your 0.0 token. Okay, here this is token name is zero token. Okay, this will launching soon on Binance also. Okay, this is a huge potential. Okay, and most thing is free for free user. Every day say good morning in Discord, every day 10 points you grabbed. Okay, and instantly when you verify and join Discord, instantly you claim 120 points. Okay, 100 points plus 20 points, 120 points, and every day you can wish good morning in Discord after 6 hours. So every day you can wish at least 3 good morning, then 3 good morning means 30 power 30 points, 30 power point means 30 token, 0 token. And this is not a joking, and this is not a light, this is biggest profitable project. Okay, you can join at least free. So first of all you have to click here. I already connected, my graph point is 4360 already point, and you can earn daily point. Okay, first of all you paste this link in Kiwi message browser, then that's all. Connect your Twitter, Discord, etc, etc, and this is the another part. No need to, I only for free user. Okay, so first of all here connected your wallet, then you have to join in Discord. Okay, then you have to join in Discord. This is the Discord link, this is the Discord, ZeroLend Discord. See, first of all after join, first you have to verify. Okay, one is full verify and one is basic verify. First you have to basic verify. This is my verify. This is basic verify. Okay, now this is full verify. You have to two verify, একটা হচ্ছে বেসিক ভেরিফাই আর একটা হচ্ছে ফুললি ভেরিফাই। প্রথমে বেসিক ভেরিফাইটা এখানে করে নিতে হবে। আফটার বেসিক ভেরিফাই দেন ইউ হ্যাভ টু completed the fully verify. You can see here this is the fully verify. Fully, how to complete your fully verify? For fully verify you have to join guild, ZeroLend guild, and you have to verify by your guild account. Okay, so first of all you have to go to, after join in Discord, then you have to go in guild. I provide all links in description link. Okay, so go to guild link in Mrs browser. This is the guild link. Okay, this is the guild link. This is ZeroLend guild link. You have to verify first here, like you connect your wallet, Discord, your Twitter, your Telegram, that's it. Okay, first of all this is process. After after your connect your MetaMask wallet, you have to verified role, not verified wallet, verified Twitter loyalty. This is another part of, and this is zero-sync. This is not mandatory for all. This is for liquidity provide user only. I have to provide liquidity at least $230. Then that's why you can join by free. Okay, so I just discussed showing you about only free. Okay, you can verify, but first of all, so you have to first so for access the Discord verified role, you have to complete first verify in guild, ZeroLend guild task. Okay, here you have to verify your Twitter, Discord connection, MetaMask, Twitter, then email ID, then your Telegram, then also something GitHub you can verify it. After verify here Twitter, you can you can see your verified here, you can see here verified here. Then after getting verified here in guild then you can access in Discord. Okay, suppose আপনি ভেরিফাই কমপ্লিট করেছেন, তারপরে আপনি ডিসকর্ডে চলে যাবেন। ঠিক আছে, সিম্পলি ডিসকর্ডে গিয়ে এখানে প্রথমে বেসিক ভেরিফাই থাকবে। হ্যাঁ, ফার্স্ট অফ অল ইউ উইল সি basic verify, then you have to complete it fully verify. Click here fully verify. I already clicked, I already verified my role and my role is already verified. Okay, ZeroLend, you can see, click here. This is verify IOC, where this one. We have successfully solved the chaos. I already verified, I just showing you. Okay, and when you verified here you can see your your verified role, like verified role. Just you have to grab the verified role. After verified role here, then you can access this all type of part, and you can wishing every 6 hour good morning, and if you just simple a good morning, they see so many people here wishing a good morning. Okay, and your every good morning is equal to 10 point, and your 10 points equal to 10 zero token. Okay, this is part of free. This is, let's my good morning, see my good morning is total 14. Okay, this is the logic, this is the main part. Okay, and you have to see your point is here is your point. This is the guild verified part, and you have to see your point here. You can see here, you can see your point here, like my point is 4360. Okay, this is the main part, and I think everybody is will better understand, and this is most viral project. Okay, don't miss guys this project. And this is my another part, I already have deposited supplies here, liquidity provide $120 already. Okay, and also borrow $10. This is another part, and that's all. Okay, so guys, everyone don't miss this free opportunity, ZeroLend. Okay, ZeroLend Python, this is the another collaboration of Python, MANTA network Python. Okay, and also be will listing on Binance. Okay, so don't be single one, don't miss this account. Okay, don't miss, it's the last chance for everyone. Okay guys, so thanks to all, and if you enjoy and understand this video, please subscribe. Okay, thanks to all, have a good day.